welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make teeth whitening powder at home. Now, this is Sunshine Resources, the home of skills and entrepreneurship. If you're new to this channel, I suggest you click on the subscription button so that you get posted of all our videos and resources each time we upload them. Teeth whitening powder is made from 2 or 3 very important materials. These are activated charcoal, baking soda, and calcium powder. Calcium powder can be optional. Now, these are the materials. This is activated charcoal, this is baking soda, and this is calcium powder. Just like I said earlier, calcium powder is optional. Now, this calcium powder is made from egg shell and it is optional. Now, the 2 most important active ingredients are activated charcoal and baking soda. The 2 of them are excellent teeth whitening powder. Now, measure 3 teaspoonfuls of activated charcoal into a container. Also, measure 3 teaspoonfuls of baking soda. And 1 teaspoonful of calcium powder. Now, mix these 3 powders properly. After mixing it properly, you can now store it in an airtight container and use it to whiten your teeth. You can use it in just the way you use your toothpaste. Now, you may just need few ingredients to make this formulation a toothpaste powder. That should be in another video. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.